No need professional installer and long wiring. You can install your own security system too. DIY easily with mydlink smart home devices from D-Link. No technical skill required. In short, you need to install mydlink connected home hub first, followed by the sensor that you need, Z-Wave motion sensor and Z-Wave door window sensor. Z-Wave silence can be added too when needed. Same apply to Wi-Fi smart plug. Installation is simple by follow mydlink on-screen instruction. No wire. Power by battery. Yes, those sensors are connected through ultra-wide Z-Wave Plus. All the sensors can be detected even placed at the farthest place at my double-story semi-D house. By the way, battery life is great, still at 100% after 3 weeks of operating. Let's talk about mydlink mobile app first. It's the one that controls everything. Set up and configure hub, sensor, plug, and even camera there. One tap to trigger those automations that you need easily. Turn on alarm and off the Wi-Fi smart plug while away, and turn on plug and off the alarm when at home. Totally up to your own preference. In addition, you can even schedule automation and action as well. Set start and end time, and which day the task will execute. Everything can be configured while on the go through internet. That's great. Instant alert notification to your smartphone for both Android and iOS. Z-Wave silence with 6 different sounds built-in will provide loud audio warning when motion is detected or a door is open. Yes, really loud sound up to 110 dB. Great to scare away those people around it, and can be used as customer arrival notification during office hours too. Lot of possibility can be done. Use your creative mind. Yes, turn your home office into a smart one with mydlink smart home devices. Monitor and secure it too. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Peace.